Right, so please start others to come. Right, because of the time, I mean, yeah, let's see. Now, basically, you have to, I mean, now we have created the sign up application, and now you have to extend the functionality of application. Now, you have the preview list application. So, you need to now add a new page called search. Alu page එක cut කරන්න ඕන. And you need to again add a repeating group that a text element to display the first name of the user that who has signed for your app. Right? Then after that, it should be like this. Then again task 2, and you need to have another profile. I mean, create a new page as profile, add the button to the previous repeating group on the search page, and name it as a view the profile. If users click on the view profile button, they should be redirected to the profile page and their first name should be displayed in the profile page, right? So what happened is, now the users are looking to the application. Now in the particular list, you need to display their first name. Apart from first name, you can also, denote all the first name, last name, date of birth. It's also fine. But for doing so, you need to display it in another page called search. Alut page එක හදන්න ඕන. ඒ page එක හදලා you need to add a repeating group. A repeating group එකේ you need to have a text area, text element, and once you add that, ඒක මෙන්න මේ විදිහට display වෙනවා. Then after that, you need to add a button to here. අර පාටින් දැක්ක button එක add කරන්න ඕන. Then name the button as the view profile, and when you click that button, you will be redirected. You need to make the arrangement prefix into another page called profile. A profile okay. Yeah, the profile details on a first name, last name, likewise that. Right? Now we are going to make that. Right. So for that, what I'm going to do is right. So go to the design tab, create a page, right? Add a new page. And I'm going to name it that search. Right. I just created a page, right? Go to here and add a new page. Name the page as search. Right. Any questions up to here? තේරෙනවද? Again මෙතෙන්ට ගිහිල්ලා page එක cat කරන්න search කියලා. Right? Add a new page and I have already added. So I can see the page search here and I'm going to click that. හරිද? Any issues? Right. So after that, I need to add a repeating group as in this here. Current set, sorry, repeating group pack add කරන්න. So what I'm going to do is search for the repeating group. Date time picker. Yeah. In the container section, you have this particular element called repeating group. Drag and drop to the search page, right? Add the repeating group. If you have added the repeating group, then you have to define the type of the content because you are going to now display the users, data in the users database. Type of the content, it should be data types, user, right? And data search, data source, you need to select do a search for. Method do a search for, right? Do a search for and type users. Harder. Type of the content, it should be user type because we are going to retrieve the user content. And data source, it should be search for users. That's all. Any issue? Anyone have any issues? Yes. Any issue? So after that, you need to drag and drop a one particular text element into this first row of the repeating group. මේ විදිහට කරන්න. එතකොට you can see this will be appearing like this. Right? මේ විදිහට appear වෙනවා. So මේ ජෙනරේටර් එක වැඩ කරනව නේද? ආවද? ඉන්ටර්නෙට්